Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Smita and I am here with you with the new self-photoshoot ideas. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and do watch my previous videos. So without wasting time, let's start. To start the idea through which I am going to shoot my photos, we must follow just 3 steps only. Firstly, we have to set our background first. Secondly, we have to paint some flowers like objects in one side of our face. And thirdly, we just have to take a basic makeup look to take a natural glow in our face. And after these 3 steps, we can shoot our photos finally. So firstly, we have to set our background first. So let's set our background. Done with our background, and we have come to the second part, the face paint part, and I am going to use these acrylic color bottles and this brush to paint my face in this side. So without wasting time, let's start. You can see we are done with our second part already. You can see the flowers I have painted in this side, and let's come to the third part. And the third part is to take some makeup and to get ready with my costume. So let's come to the third part. Finally, I am here with my makeups, my paints, my decorations, my costumes, and everything is ready. So it's time to shoot our photos. I will on my screen recording so that I can show you how do I pose and how do I click my photos. So let's start. So guys, here was my today's video about taking self-portraits. If you guys try these hacks and create your own self-portraits, then please share with me through my Instagram ID Jyotismita. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and do comment how do you get my videos. And thank you. We'll meet you again.